That's what we're talking about.
Never heard of a lovely V8 diesel? Stay right there. Music to the ears, eh? What do we got here?
Here looking at a couple of cars. First one's a Mazda 6. Done like 220 Ks. It's been in the front left.
So far, I'm 0 straight
I'm not actually sure how you get into this one.
Yeah, no, that is an issue.
As you can see, no door handle. Go through the back, I reckon.
Oh my god.
Smoke or
That is a
underwater?
full 1980s bowling alley ashtray, that thing.
How many Ks you reckon?
Yuck. I thought you said it was about 220.
Oh no, let's take a guess.
I can't hop into that.
Righto. You want to just buy it?
How wrong can you go?
I don't know. $500?
It's auto, isn't it?
It's got to be somewhere. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that'll do.
I dare say it runs and drives. It got here.
If it made it here, it's worth $500.
How much rent has it
And
got?
yeah, good question. Just under 2 weeks. That's enough.
Perfect. That's about $14 in refund. We'll just buy it anyway.
We'll find a home for
We don't
it
even
somewhere.
we don't even start cars anymore.
Yeah, Suits came out, premiered the first season,
2011,
first
yes.
episode, 2011.
But do you know the date in which it did?
No, I was asking you.
It'll either be one of two.
No, not either or. You give me a date.
Yes, but I can't remember if it was the 20th of June 2011 or the 30th of June 2011, but it's one of those. Yeah, I'll put a bet on it's one of those dates.
No, you choose one or the other.
No way. Mate, you don't even know what date it is. At least I'm narrowing it down to 2 specific days out of 365 days of the year. Are we putting a bet on
Settle this
first?
once and for all? No, because I know it was 2011. I couldn't tell
We'll
you.
put a drive car bet that it's either
Who
20th or
remembers
30th
what
of June.
day and month?
Just put a bet
and
on that
year
it's either 20th or
a
30th of
TV show
June, a
premiered.
drive car from a dealer
No.
or a private.
No.
Week.
Okay.
Week. My man comes back from holidays. Week.
No, US. Cause,
US? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
23rd of June 2011.
Oh, 23rd was it?
So it was neither of what you said. Should have made that bet, eh?
Should have, yeah, you could have, but you didn't. Because Holiday Boy is back. Money is week.
I went to Norfolk Island for 4 days.
We did discuss that.
Prior to that, I saw you fairly often.
Now,
More often than I'd like.
just so we can clarify for everybody, it wasn't a holiday that Julian went on. This one being Short and Norfolk Island.
It was a
Which-
short getaway. Is
No,
what it was.
close, but you're wrong.
Oh.
So, being that it's Norfolk Island, one, you don't need a passport, but you do catch a flight there. So it's in between. Plus, the time frame in which he took only 4 days off is technically a mini holiday. It's not a getaway.
It's not even a holiday.
No, it is.
Getaway.
No, it's a mini holiday because a getaway is a weekend. We established that last year. You said that when you go away, like on a Friday, come back on a Monday morning, that's a getaway. Now, you went on a mini holiday, not long enough for him to classify it as a holiday. That one's a mini one. Sort of like mini golf. You know, 18 rounds of golf, 18 holes of golf, and then you play like mini putt-putt. This one's
There was a
mini
9-hole
holiday.
golf course on Norfolk Island.
Again, mini.
Yeah, mini, exactly. Yeah. The whole island is only 8 k's wide and 5 k's tall. Mini. Mini.
Should this come up on GeoGuessr, we would drop a pin, no doubt.
Spot on.
Yeah.
Need
Matty
to
Bo-
play that again. That was good.
Matty boy, see a little crab.
A
He
little
knows
red
it's
crab.
Christmas Island.
Christmas Island.
So yesterday, I said to him he was going to change the tail light and the highlight. It's out in the sun, boiling hot. I said, pull it around inside into the dealership. We'll do it in the shade. I'll give you a hand.
Yeah.
No worries. Goes and gets a key, grabs a Hilux, drives into the dealership, but leaves the tub half out in the sun. Works out in the sun instead of the shade. So what are you doing? He goes, you said bring it inside. And I'm like, but the back half's still outside and that's what you're working on. Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Now, the old taillights.
Yeah.
You know he's just left them down the side of the dealership next to the
Yeah, it's time to put them on car sales, on Facebook. Try to get some money for it.
Why? Broken.
Got to be $50 out there for a cracked tail light. Paid $300 for 2 brand newies.
But he's left both of them just sitting there.
Yeah, so one's good, one's not.
You'd probably just put them away instead of leaving them on the floor. Don't you think?
Oh, Jules, don't think. There's your problem.
Don't think, just do, yeah.
You're thinking too much, pal. Thinking too much, buddy old pal. Not a bad day. What, we bought 4 cars today? Series, A Class, Q5,
Volvo.
XC90.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are now pushing 120 cars in stock as of the 6th of January, 7th of January. Mate, Tom's flying.
Hey everyone, just bought this. A little bit old, a little bit high in the Ks, but 15 GLE 350D coupe. Well looked after actually, like Continentals all round, full service history. But the best bit about this car is not something you see every day. It is optioned from factory with a $12,000 Bang & Olufsen sound system, which includes these fancy tweeters, these giant metal speaker grills, and the sound is insane. So jump on in and I'll show you how it goes. You guys won't be able to get a feel for this without physically being in the car, but you adjust obviously the treble, the mid-tone, the bass, everything like that, and it's deafeningly loud, like crazy loud. This is the song I use to test good sound systems, and it's just wild.
It's going down for it.
Ear-piercingly loud. It's really cool. Yeah, we like a good sound system.
Tell me that I'm the one. Say that you love me too. Kisses don't come for free. So what you waiting for? Back to mine, only 5. Then we can go all night.
See, it's going like this. Yeah, show us your tits, tits out
that.
for the boys, tits out.
No, that was a...
Give me a real figure. What do you think it's going to actually make?
No, I think it's gonna...
Get a real figure, go.
$4,000, flat out.
$4,000
Flat out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make 3.
Mate,
Between that and Guck,
we're giving Guck next year.
Doing what?
We're giving him Guck next.
For detail? Yeah, well, I expect him to be.
What? The drive's so good I can't give that car away. I can't sell it.
you're going to see how Guck.
You wait till you see. We're going to do it before and after. Gucky's going to come at you.
That can be a little bit of a series. You can film the detailing and everything.
Fall off it! It's a Toyota! That car's still got
What's
another
going to
40.
fall off it?
The paint's going to chip off it.
You know it.
Just because it's a bit chalky, it just needs a little buff.
It needs a buff.
That's all.
As he holds the gun, it's going to go.
It's not my Fiat. Pump it up.
Oh,
Oh, he's getting
for this
water! Water for the Corolla! Let's go.
Hot water. So I'm drinking a bath. Over the line to Corolla, I said 176 k's cold. No, cold air conditioning. Cold air is, yeah, everything's good on this car. It's got the factory paint peel on the roof, if you can't see it on the internet, and it extends a little bit onto the bonnet.
Bonnet?
Target's 5.5 MS, do you say, Ryan? 4 I've got.
Why would you say the
41
target's
straight away on the
5.5?
net. Someone's awake. 42 if you want it. 42, 3 I've got. 43
Never heard them say that before.
at 4,300. At now, I can't read, I've got no glasses. 4,300. At 4,003 it is. At 43, 44 down the front. 45.
Come on,
46.
get it up.
Well, I'm going to go. He only wants, what is that, 6 grand? 5,500. 46.
He only wants
47 if you want
55,
it.
mate.
Oh, just-
49. At 5 grand I go. At 5 grand it is going to cost you 100. 51. 51 now. 51 it is. 5100. 52 new blood. 53 down.
Come
the
on,
front.
bid it up.
54 we're getting very close. 54 once place.
Come on, you can't stop
56.
there.
Come on.
57 of it now behind you. 56 now in the hand. 7, 8, 58.
Mate, this guy's from Albion Park Race, mate. Let's go.
50, I'll take
Come
it.
on.
58, 50, 58, 59 if you've
Come
got.
on.
That's all we're talking about.
So rip up.
6 grand round me up. 59, once race, in the final go. Your car, sir.
Bender showroom we saw in Hangzhou, much nicer. She replied, yes. I said, much more exquisite. We will have to you tomorrow. She said, great.
Much more
And
expensive.
you don't think the way I talk, then you're cooked. My the best.
How did you spell Hangzhou? Or did you Google it to find it out?
I didn't.
HUNGJOE.
I spelt it HANGZHOU.
Perfect. Well done. I'm
What?
impressed.
You're impressed.
You can barely
I'd
spell.
be impressed if you can spell.
You can barely spell but, so you spelling Hangzhou is
But what?
well done.
Do you know how to spell exquisite, or do you need me to teach you that?
Oh, I
too?
know how to spell exquisite.
Oh, good. You're learning. My man thought with his media degree that it's an English name.
Seeing what's the latest I can go to the Allmac tender.
I thought you were going this morning.
Oh, I forgot. I'm just nice. Because I rocked up here, I'm like, why am I here 10 minutes early? This is not a Sil thing to do. Rock up to work 10 minutes early.
10 minutes late, more like it, yes.
Yeah. Then I figured, I forgot to stop by at Allmac to look at some cars.
So you allowed yourself 7 minutes to look at cars at Old Mac to be at work on time.
Usually can't, because literally I just walk down.
To look at 20 cars.
I'm not going to look at every single one. Like last time they had 40 cars there, I only looked at 3 or 4.
I'll just say the only way a lender's going to look at it.
There's only 3 to 4 cars I want. The rest of it just do price case.
There's money.
There is so much money in. Just make sure she's in neutral. Definitely neutral. I love me a big cruiser. The inner me loves old cruiser and loves a JDM car.
Recaros in a cruiser is insane to me.
Recaros, look at the steering wheel. Update 200 series steering wheel with a bit of carbon. Oh, this is the best. Squad car. Best part. Want to warm up your pie?
First got the pie oven.
Ever heard of a lumpy V8 diesel? You stay right there. Music to the ears, eh? I don't know why they put a winch in. Never get in trouble with a cruiser. First gear, floor it, you get out anything.
It's for towing your mates out more than anything.
They can do like a... Better than this. In a cruiser. Who spent some money on a chassis support?
Just in the back.
Yeah, so it doesn't... There's too much weight in the back, they sort of bend and flex, but 76 are usually alright. It's the 79s you have to worry about. In a JDM kid coming out over there. I love this car. Should have taken it for Christmas. Took the wrong cruiser for Christmas.